The Cannington Group is a full-service environmental remediation company serving the province of Ontario since 1976, with extensive practical experience in site remediation, hazardous waste cleanup, demolition, building decommissioning, tank removals and installations, and water treatment and technology. Recently, the Cannington Group has added commercial remotely piloted aerial system or drone technology to its list of services under a new division called CG Drones. CG Drones has the ability to offer clients aerial site mapping, site progress documentation, and changeover time monitoring. Additionally, clients can be provided with volumetric measurements for stockpiles and excavations, reports for asset analysis and management, and ultra-high definition aerial photographs and videos of areas that are otherwise inaccessible or too cost-prohibitive to document traditionally. Three-dimensional models of properties and structures can also be created for site analysis, as well as incorporation into marketing documents, sales briefs, and client status reports. CG Drones holds a National Complex Special Flight Operations certification through Transport Canada. CG Drones is also covered for all flight operations throughout Canada, day and night, with a comprehensive aviation-specific insurance policy. Drones eliminate much of the human error involved in the data collection process, and do so in a much safer and more time-efficient manner when compared to traditional methods. This translates into both time and cost savings to you. For more information on how CG Drones can assist your operation, please contact us today at 905-841-1848.